I love scary movies. And this movie...
Hello? Are you okay?
It's its own kind of scary.
You Should Have Left is about a man facing his demons.
Come away with me.
Theo is a complicated man. He's lived 2 lives.
If I don't get out of here for a while, I think I'm gonna go nuts.
There's a lot of tension in this marriage.
We rent a house in Wales.
It's so beautiful!
Wow.
I love this.
Wait.
What?
Listen. Be quiet.
That's when the fun starts.
Jesus. You got enough switches?
This house is enveloping them.
Does this wall look right to you?
What are you doing?
26 feet. I think I'm losing my mind.
This room is 5 feet longer on the inside than it is on the outside.
Nothing makes sense in this place. It starts to affect my dreams.
Anything happened yet?
I think I'm losing my mind.
Somebody wrote in my journal.
Time and space are shifting. I think I'm losing my mind.
The house shows me.
You must be guilty of something. It puts you on the edge of your seat. You can't quite figure out where you are, what's happening.
It's terrifying.
Wake up! It's a dream!
This movie will haunt you forever.